Okay, I want to do a quick video just showing when the BG60 is going at full capacity what the bubbling looks like. We always test with the bubbling stone, so this is what it's looking like. Aggressive bubbling. We have a video on how to check for gas leaks. The first thing we do is we make sure to put this bubbling stone in water, and we want to make sure that we're getting this type of aggressive bubbling. If you're not getting this level of bubbling, that's when you can watch our check for gas leaks video. First thing, real quick tip, is always to redo the lids of the cups, starting with cup 2, and then recheck. Okay, once again, just look at how aggressive the bubbling is. This is what we're looking for.